There is no segment in today's market that has so many great options to choose from, including the current model year of the Nissan Rogue. But what if we tell you that things are about to get even better, as Nissan's bestseller is coming with comprehensive updates? Let's check out 6 reasons to wait for the incredible 2026 Nissan Rogue. Number 6. Hybrid is coming. The most exciting news about the 2026 Rogue is what's happening under the hood. For the first time ever, Nissan is bringing hybrid technology to their best-selling SUV, and this isn't some half-hearted attempt at electrification. The 2026 Rogue Hybrid is going to feature the same proven plug-in hybrid system from the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV, a powertrain that's already proven itself in the real world. This hybrid setup is built around a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine working alongside 2 electric motors to deliver a combined 248 horsepower. That's significantly more power than the current gas-only model, while delivering fuel economy that's going to embarrass the competition. The system is expected to provide up to 38 miles of electric-only range, meaning your daily commute could be completely gas-free. But here's what makes this hybrid different from, let's say, Ford's problematic setups. This is mature technology that's been refined and tested in the Outlander for years. Nissan isn't experimenting with unproven tech. They're taking a system that works and adapting it perfectly for the Rogue platform. All-wheel drive comes standard with the hybrid system, ensuring you get maximum capability without sacrificing efficiency. The pricing is expected to start around $43,000 for the base hybrid SV trim, which positions it competitively against non-hybrid competitors while offering dramatically better fuel economy and performance. When you consider the fuel savings over just a few years, this hybrid system is going to pay for itself. Number 5. New additions are coming. Nissan is expanding the Rogue lineup with 2 exciting new additions that are going to give buyers more options than ever before. The Dark Armor Edition is joining the lineup based on the popular SV trim, embracing the blackout aesthetic that buyers can't get enough of right now. Expect to see blacked-out exterior trim, unique wheel designs, and interior accents that give the Rogue a more aggressive, premium appearance. This isn't just a cosmetic package, it's Nissan's answer to buyers who want their SUV to stand out from the crowd. But the real practical addition is the new cold weather package for the SV trim. This package is going to include heated seats and a heated steering wheel, features that were previously bundled into expensive premium packages. By offering these cold weather essentials as a standalone option, Nissan is making winter comfort more accessible without forcing buyers to pay for features they don't need. This move shows Nissan is listening to customer feedback about wanting more flexible options rather than being forced into expensive all-or-nothing packages. The cold weather package is going to be a game changer for buyers in northern climates who need these features but don't want to pay thousands extra for leather seats and panoramic sunroofs they might not want. Number 4. Rock Creek is getting cheaper. Here's where things get really interesting. The Rock Creek trim is getting a price cut. While other manufacturers are increasing prices across the board, Nissan is actually reducing the cost of their adventure-ready Rogue variant. The current 2025 Rock Creek starts at $33,490, but the 2026 model is coming in at a lower price point, making outdoor capability more accessible than ever. But the Rock Creek isn't just about the lower price, it's about what you get for that money. This trim comes standard with all-wheel drive, all-terrain tires, and a tubular roof rack system that's ready for bikes, kayaks, or whatever adventure gear you need to haul. The Rock Creek features 17-inch satin black wheels and reinforced lower body trim that can handle the scratches and dings that come with real outdoor use. The suspension has been tuned specifically for off-road capability, with hill descent control helping you navigate steep terrain with confidence. The surround view camera system includes special off-road views, letting you see exactly where your tires are going when the trail gets technical. There's even a 12-volt outlet in the cargo area for powering camping equipment or tools at the job site. What makes the Rock Creek special is that it doesn't sacrifice on-road comfort for off-road capability. The same heated front seats and modern infotainment system from other Rogue trims are standard, so you're not giving up daily livability for weekend adventure capability. With the price reduction, the Rock Creek is going to offer more adventure-ready features per dollar than any competitor. Number 3. Impressive fuel economy. The standard gas engine in the 2026 Rogue is going to deliver fuel economy numbers that put competitors to shame. The turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine produces 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque while returning impressive efficiency numbers that make every trip to the gas station less painful. With front-wheel drive, the 2026 Rogue will achieve 30 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway, numbers that rival many sedans while offering SUV versatility. Even with all-wheel drive, you're looking peaking at 28 miles per gallon city and 35 miles per gallon highway, which is outstanding for a vehicle with this level of capability and space. But these aren't just EPA estimates. Real-world testing consistently shows the Rogue meeting or exceeding these numbers. The turbocharged 3-cylinder might sound small, but it's been engineered specifically for efficiency without sacrificing the power you need for highway merging or mountain passes. The continuously variable transmission has been refined to minimize the rubber band feeling while maximizing fuel efficiency across all driving conditions. When you calculate the annual fuel savings compared to competitors, the Rogue's efficiency advantage adds up to hundreds of dollars per year. A Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4 might cost similar upfront, but the Rogue's superior fuel economy means lower total ownership costs over the life of the vehicle. For families putting 15,000 miles per year on their SUV, these efficiency gains translate to real money back in your pocket. Number 2. Loads of standard safety features. Safety technology that used to be reserved for luxury vehicles is now standard equipment on the 2026 Rogue. Nissan's Safety Shield 360 suite comes standard across the entire lineup, giving every Rogue buyer access to advanced driver assistance features that competitors charge thousands extra for. Standard equipment includes forward and reverse automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, technology that can literally save lives in emergency situations. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are standard, helping you avoid accidents when changing lanes or backing out of parking spaces. Lane departure warning and automatic high-beam headlights ensure you stay safe even when you're tired or distracted. But the 2026 Rogue goes beyond basic safety with intersection assist technology that uses sensors to help prevent accidents at intersections, one of the most dangerous driving situations. Driver attention monitoring watches for signs of drowsiness or distraction, alerting you when it's time to take a break. Rear parking sensors are standard, making tight parking situations stress-free. Upper trims add even more advanced features like Pro Pilot Assist 2.1, which provides partially automated highway driving with hands-free capability on pre-mapped roads. The surround view camera system gives you a bird's-eye view of your vehicle, making parking and low-speed maneuvering effortless. Traffic sign recognition keeps you informed of speed limits and road conditions, even when signs are obscured or you're driving in unfamiliar areas. What sets the Rogue apart is that these aren't expensive options. They're standard equipment that comes with every vehicle. While competitors nickel and dime buyers with safety packages that can cost thousands, Nissan is including this technology as part of the base experience. Number 1. Excellent passenger and cargo space. With the 2026 Rogue, there's an incredible amount of space you get for the money. This is where the Rogue absolutely dominates the compact SUV segment, offering room that rivals much larger and more expensive vehicles. The passenger compartment is genuinely impressive with generous head and legroom in both rows. Front passengers get driving positions with excellent visibility, while rear passengers enjoy adult-friendly space that's rare in this class. The rear doors open wide, nearly 90 degrees, making it easy to load kids, car seats, or cargo without the awkward contortions required in many competitors. But the real star is the cargo area. Behind the second row, you get 31.6 cubic feet of space in base models, expanding to 36.5 cubic feet in higher trims with the available divide-and-hide floor system. With the rear seats folded, cargo capacity grows to an enormous 74.1 cubic feet, enough space for furniture, appliances, or serious camping gear. The divide-and-hide system is pure genius, allowing you to create custom storage compartments that keep smaller items from rolling around. You can configure the floor panels to create a flat loading surface or lower them for extra vertical space when loading tall items. This system alone makes the Rogue more practical than competitors that simply offer a flat cargo floor with no organization options. Interior storage is thoughtfully designed throughout the cabin with multiple cup holders, door pockets, and cubby spaces that actually fit modern devices and personal items. The center console is large enough for tablets and purses, while door pockets can accommodate water bottles without interfering with window controls. The next year's Rogue looks very promising, but it's not the only compact crossover worth the wait. Check out this video about the reasons to wait for the 2026 Honda CR-V, which you can now see on the screen. Honda's compact crossover is getting a comprehensive update that will solidify its excellent market position even more.